In this video, we're going to look at the 5 best cordless routers you can get right now. There are lots of different routers out there. Corded ones, plunge routers, fixed base routers, but we're focusing on cordless because they're super convenient and give you the freedom to move around without worrying about cords getting in the way. Everyone's needs are different, whether you're just doing simple home projects or more detailed woodworking. So we'll help you figure out which one might be the best fit for you. And, hey, let us know which one you like the most. Starting at number 5, the Ryobi P601 1 Plus 18V Lithium-Ion Cordless Fixed Base Trim Router is a great pick if you're just getting into routing or you want something affordable and easy to handle for light to medium tasks around the house. It runs on Ryobi's popular 18V 1 Plus battery system, so if you already have other Ryobi tools, this fits right in. No need to buy a new battery. The motor offers enough power to handle simple trimming, edge profiling, or small groove cuts without bogging down. One thing that really helps with precision here is the LED lighting built into the front. It brightens up the cutting area so you're not squinting or guessing when the light is low. The grip area has a soft rubber coating. Ryobi calls it grip zone, which is great because it keeps your hold steady, even if your hands get sweaty or a bit slippery. This matters because control is everything when you want smooth, clean edges. Adjusting the depth is also easy and tool-free. The depth adjustment knob lets you dial in the exact cutting depth quickly, so you can move from shallow edge trimming to slightly deeper cuts without fuss. The aluminum base feels solid under your hand, offering stability as you guide the router over the workpiece. Because it's lightweight and compact, it's perfect for beginners or casual users who want to add routing to their toolkit without spending too much. Moving on to number 4, the Makita XTR01Z 18V LXT Brushless Compact. Router steps up the game for those who want a router that handles more serious projects but still stays easy to use. The brushless motor is a highlight here. Brushless means the motor uses less energy and runs cooler, so your battery lasts longer and the tool stays reliable for heavy use. This motor spins from 10,000 up to 30,000 RPM, and you adjust that speed with a simple dial on the tool. This kind of speed control is essential because different materials and bits need different speeds. Slower for delicate wood or plastic, faster for tougher hardwood. One feature that stands out is the rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system. This lets you make very small, precise changes in your cut depth with just a turn of the dial, which is a huge help when you're working on detailed joinery or decorative edges. The base and housing are made from aluminum, so it feels sturdy and will resist wear even if you're working on rough job sites. Makita also includes dual LED lights that shine right where the bit meets the wood, improving visibility on tricky cuts. The quick-release cam lock system means you can swap bases or adjust depth quickly without extra tools, speeding up your workflow. At just 4.6 pounds with the battery, it's light enough for extended projects without tiring your arm, making it ideal for both professionals and serious hobbyists who want precision and comfort. Number 3 is the Bosch GKF 125 CEPK Colt 1.25 HP Variable Speed Palm Router Combination Kit. This one is all about versatility and power. The 1.25 horsepower motor packs plenty of punch for routing and trimming, and you can control the speed from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM. This broad range gives you flexibility, whether you're routing soft woods, laminates, or denser materials. What makes Bosch's router special is that it comes with both a fixed base and a plunge base, so you get the best of both worlds. The fixed base offers stability and control for edge work and detail cuts, and it features a rugged 360-degree aluminum housing that feels solid and helps keep your work steady. The plunge base includes a spring-lock plunge control lever, which means you can smoothly lower the router bit into the material for perfect depth control. Great for mortises or grooves that need to start in the middle of a board. Bosch also designed this router with soft start circuitry to reduce startup torque, so it doesn't jerk or pull when you hit the trigger. That's a big help when you want smooth, controlled cuts. The constant response circuitry keeps the speed steady, even if the router is working hard, which means your cuts stay clean without bogging down. The combination kit is perfect if you want a comprehensive setup for a range of tasks, from cabinetry to furniture making. Coming in at number 2, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Router is a powerhouse that blends compact size with professional-level features. It runs on Milwaukee's 18V battery system and boasts a brushless motor that's efficient and durable, providing consistent torque and speed under load. The speed range is broad, from 10,000 up to 31,000 RPM, so you can dial in exactly what you need for each job. This router feels really balanced and comfortable in hand, which matters when you're working for hours. It's lightweight but built tough, making it a good choice if you need a tool that's easy to carry around the job site but won't fall apart. One highlight is its tool-free depth adjustment system, so you can change your cut depth fast and accurately without stopping to get out wrenches or screwdrivers. While Milwaukee's router doesn't emphasize features like LED lighting or electronic brakes in the product details, users praise it for smooth, reliable performance and solid build quality. It's a great all-around router if you want a no-nonsense tool that handles everything from simple edge routing to more demanding woodworking tasks. For anyone invested in Milwaukee's ecosystem, it fits seamlessly, making battery sharing a breeze. And finally, the number 1 pick, the Dewalt 20V Max XR Cordless Router, DCW600B, which earns its top spot thanks to a perfect blend of power, precision, and user-friendly features. This router runs on Dewalt's 20V Max XR battery platform, which is known for long run times and strong power delivery. It features a brushless motor that runs smoother and lasts longer than traditional brushed motors. One of the standout design elements is the dual LED lighting system positioned near the base, shining directly onto your work area. This ensures you never lose sight of your cutting line, even in dimly lit spaces. The variable speed dial is intuitive and allows you to fine-tune your speed based on the material. Slow it down for delicate trims or crank it up for tougher. Hardwood's depth adjustment is easy with the precise ring on the base, allowing quick, tool-free changes in cut depth. This is a huge time saver, especially when moving between different cuts on the same project. When you finish cutting, the electronic brake kicks in to stop the motor quickly, which not only improves safety, but helps keep the bit from burning the wood. Dewalt also incorporated a soft start motor, which means the router ramps up smoothly instead of jerking into action. This subtle feature makes controlling your cuts easier, especially on detailed or curved edges. The build feels solid but isn't bulky. It weighs around 2.6 pounds without the battery and measures just under 6 inches tall and wide, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver. If you want a router that covers everything from precise cabinetry to more general woodworking tasks, the Dewalt DCW600B combines power, control, and reliability in a way that suits both professionals and serious DIYers. So, to sum up, if you want an easy-to-use, budget-friendly option for simple jobs, Ryobi's P601 is your friend. For more precision with smooth depth control, Makita's XTR01Z fits well. If you want flexibility with both plunge and fixed bases, Bosch's Colt Kit is ideal. For a rugged, reliable pro-level router that's compact, Milwaukee's M18 Fuel is the way to go. And if you want a best all-around powerhouse with smart features and great control, the Dewalt 20V Max XR tops the list. Each of these routers has strengths that suit different kinds of users and projects. Think about your specific needs, whether it's portability, power, precision, or budget. And one of these will make your woodworking easier and more enjoyable.